This Dorian Bennett Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by MichaelBain. Carefully maintained Victorian cottage, completely renovated in 2014. Granite in kitchen and bathrooms, stainless steel, insulated, updated wiring, plumbing, roof. Original gleaming heart pine floors throughout. Bathrooms feature custom tile work. On-demand water heater. Large backyard with deck. Huge master bedroom suite. For more information, review the details below or contact MichaelBain at 504-452-4677.